Hey everybody, welcome back into Thrift Alive. If this is your first time watching the channel, my name's Ryan, and around here we like to go to the Goodwill outlet to find things to one, flip online for a profit, or two, put in my personal collection. But today we're going to start out doing something a little different, or something I haven't done in a while. I'm going to pull and show you 3 items I sold yesterday. I'm grateful just to get 3 items sold. I mean, it is like pulling teeth lately on eBay for me. So 3 items that's good for me. Sure, we'll take it. But let's go over these 3 items and then we're gonna hit the road and see what's coming out on the belts today. All right, first up, we sold this Cincinnati Reds hat. I'm pretty sure this was like a stadium giveaway, but this is a cool looking hat. It's a little pillbox hat. Ended up getting $35.99 plus shipping, and we listed this back in June. Next up, we sold this Mickey pumpkin for $24.99 plus shipping. Listed this one back in January of 2025, so it did take a while to sell. It might have been a little high on my price, but I'm okay holding on to stuff for a while to get a little bit more, but happy to see this one go out the door. Then to finish us up here, we got $9.99 plus shipping for She's Gotta Have It by Spike Lee on DVD. Listed this back in May, so it didn't take too long to sell. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get these 3 items packed up, get them labeled, and we're gonna jump in the truck and go over to the outlet and see what they're rolling out today.
It's chicken! Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Thrifting! It's 11 o'clock. You're coming later every day.
Well, look at it.
I know. That's why I'm leaving after this one. Oh, at least she didn't bring it up.
Here, go.
You go.
Go.
This is fucking ridiculous.
Yeah, boy.
It's just hanging off the side.
Yeah.
Be little bitty. Be little bitty.
What? Nobody wanted it. I found one of these too.
I didn't try to turn it on. I just slid it off.
We got 2 of them. Perfect timing too, back to school.
You again?
It's me again.
It's still you. Still.
You ready to eat your heart out?
Ooh.
Oh.
You
It's the Lord. What do you think it is?
Oh, nice.
What do you think that is?
The thermos, right?
Yeah. It's the Lord's thermos. Lord.
By the way,
Yeah.
that is old.
Seth Thomas.
That is very old. Probably 40.
The older the bolder, you know what I'm saying?
Daddy, chill.
You want the Lord's thermos? No? Okay. Where are you going? I thought we were going to find some outfits and go out.
I'm going to Grill King.
You getting popcorn? You can grab
I'll
some?
get a free popcorn.
Yeah, of course.
I'm going to get,
You don't feel bad about that?
nope.
Be little bitty.
I was looking for you. I thought you left too. Bryce man ran out.
Yeah, I think he is getting hungry.
Said he had to go get some free popcorn at Rural King. Probably pass on this.
I know.
Hell, I could ride that.
Come on, you guys. They're closing it down.
I ain't playing no game, brother.
Be little bitty.
Bro,
Be little bitty.
fake me out. That guy. That's kind of interesting. Oh. Broken. Whoa. Be here before we know it, y'all. Christmas. Civil War cup. What? They're cool. I don't need any more cups though.
I never did. There's this right there.
Look at that.
Double taking pictures. They were actually there. I was surprised.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, it's my boys right there.
Come on, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you. Those are cool. Vaporeon. This one's pretty old. Pretty old and broken. Go for parts. 25 for parts with everything. Yeah. Probably pass on that. Somebody's got one up for 23.
It's light,
Yeah.
and it is for cigars, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's yours, buddy. Take it easy. Good
You're
luck.
leaving me? All right.
I've been here a little longer than you.
Yeah, I might see you next week. I don't know if I'll come back in this week.
Yeah, me too. See ya.
See you, man. $12, I'm out. All right, y'all, somehow, some way, we did okay in there with one belt of wares. That was insane. Ended up spending $5.43, so let's get into it. Larry handed me this cigar holder, maybe 15 bucks. Can't remember the last time I found this many little people in one stop. We got this little beach guy, got a cheetah, got a pilot, got this little girl that works in the garden, and I thought that was a damn zebra. Amy handed me that little Vaporeon. Pretty cool little figure, kind of has like a shiny metallic paint on it. Got this little knee hugger guy. No date on him, I don't think, but thought he was pretty cool. I might just throw him in my Christmas bag. And I really gotta get that stuff listed. I've got a little baggie of like vintage Christmas stuff I need to put up. And it's about time. And then this is why you always come in no matter what. We got two TI 84 Plus CEs. I think these are about 40 to 50 bucks each. We got a pink one and a black one. So Larry gave me this one, so thanks, Larry. This is definitely the finds of the day, and I'm happy I came in. So yeah, if they're gonna do one belts of wares, I'm gonna have to start doing clothes again, which I'm kind of getting into clothes. I kind of enjoy it now, but not really.
You sure about that?
I'm gonna try to diversify because I'm gonna have to adapt. They're not gonna bring out the wares. I'm gonna have to look at the clothes. So that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully next time I come in, they'll have some more wares belts running, but one is not gonna cut it. Even though we did okay today, the odds were against us, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm not going to complain anymore about any of this. This is the way it is. We're going to adapt, we're going to move forward, and we're going to profit, and we're going to find cool stuff. All right, y'all, let's get out of here. As always, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, liking, commenting, hype me up. If you haven't already, hit the sub button and become a sick individual today. We're going to keep thrifting the belts. Belts be damned. And yeah, we're going to forge on. It's the only thing we can do. So until next time, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive.